Welcome to the RMail video short series and walkthrough of the RMail Register Reply feature. The Register Reply feature allows the recipient of any RMail message to reply back to the sender as a registered email message, even though they do not have the RMail software installed. So let's walk through how it works. In this case, Alice is the sender and Dr. Lucas Jones is the recipient. Alice composes the message and presses the Send Registered button. When the feature pop-up appears, the user can use the Track and Prove marked or unmarked feature, but it's important to press the Register Reply checkbox, receive proof of content and time of replies to this email. By checking that box, the recipient can reply back to the original sender through the RMail system. When Dr. Lucas Jones gets the email, in this case a marked with a registered email banner email, he can reply using the reply button, which opens up a new compose page with a special address that routes the email back through the RMail system. After adding any content, all he has to do is press the Send button. The reply email that Dr. Lucas Jones sent to Alice is received by Alice as a registered email with the registered email banner because Alice selected marked as a registered email message upon sending. Had she selected unmarked, the reply would still route through the RMail system but would not have the RMail banner. Alice, as the sender, receives two registered receipt emails. The first one is the registered receipt for the email she sent to Dr. Lucas Jones. That's the original message sent. After Dr. Lucas Jones replies using the RMail Register Reply feature, Alice receives a second receipt for the reply email from Dr. Lucas Jones. Please note, there are many settings available to configure the RMail service to your needs. Make sure you view other RMail videos on how to send emails with proof, privacy, compliance, and e-signatures. Thank you for listening.